Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will explore Intel in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, and we are now here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at stockinvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 17th of September, 2024, our system has categorized Intel as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of approximately 9.64% since we first suggested purchasing Intel just 1 week ago. This results in an average return of about 1.38% per day, since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts considerable volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's next movement, as it could take either direction. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of around 41.34% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 61.46% to a decrease of 41.34%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it points to a potential change of approximately negative 38.82% over the coming year, with possible returns fluctuating between a drop of 53.85% and a decrease of 10.42%. This corresponds to a projected price range of $10.86 to $21.09 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline: Intel's stock price ended at $23.54 on Wednesday, after gaining 3.2%. The Intel stock price gained 3.2% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, rising from $22.81 to $23.54. It has now gained for 5 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it can continue this upward trend or take a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.83%, with a day low at $22.73 and a day high of $24.06. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 19.86% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 13 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 109 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.56 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $51.28, while the lowest price was $18.51. Currently, the price is 54.09%, or $27.74, below the 52-week high, and 66.03%, or $45.75, below the all-time high reached on January 24, 2020, when the price hit $69.29. Intel's stock is experiencing a notable surge following the launch of 2 new artificial intelligence chips, the Xeon 6 Central Processing Unit and the Gaudi 3 Accelerator. These products are pivotal to Intel's strategy to reclaim its position in the competitive artificial intelligence landscape. With stock up nearly 2% on the announcement, the market appears optimistic about Intel's potential turnaround. However, analysts urge caution. Eric Jackson of EMJ Capital highlights that there's no quick fix for Intel's ongoing challenges, suggesting that recovery may require substantial time and effort. Intel is currently trading at about 43% of its 52-week high, raising interest for value investors who see potential in this steep discount. Despite this attractive valuation, concerns linger regarding a potential Qualcomm acquisition. Analysts are skeptical about the financial wisdom of such a merger, especially in light of Qualcomm's bonds receiving a bearish rating, which could signal significant risk ahead. The overall sentiment is mixed. While short-term movements benefit from new product launches, long-term prospective investors should remain alert to the company's fundamentals. Until concrete recovery strategies materialize, Intel may remain a speculative stock. In conclusion, while today's momentum might lift Intel's stock price, lasting growth will require overcoming substantial hurdles, reflecting both caution and opportunity in the semiconductor market. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Intel Corporation a buy grade while maintaining a hold action. On the same day, Wolfe Research provided Intel Corporation with a reduce grade, also opting for a hold action. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, Bank of America Securities issued an underperform grade for Intel Corporation, again with a hold action. On that same Tuesday, Exane BNP Paribas rated Intel Corporation as underperform, while also choosing a hold action. On the same day, KeyBank assigned Intel Corporation a sector weight grade, maintaining a hold action as well. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a buy and the price-to-book ratio also a buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intel. The Intel stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average surpasses the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $22.02 and $20.47. Should the stock fall below either of these levels, sell signals would be triggered. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, August 30th, 2024, and the stock has since increased by 6.81%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is deemed a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 18 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 125 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 133 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at stockinvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $21.84 and $21.48. There is a natural risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a drop to the next support. In this case, Intel finds support just below today's level at $21.84. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $21.48 and $21.47. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with sufficient trading volume, the overall risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.33 between its high and low, which is a change of 5.83%. For the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 5.97%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Intel, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected to be a loss of 3 cents per share. Keep a close watch on these numbers, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel stands at $29.05. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel meets its first support level at $21.84. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources indicates a recommendation to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Scott Gawel, who bought and sold a total of 9,888 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 1.675. In total, insiders have purchased 450,195 shares and sold 428,883 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $22.71, representing a decline of 3.53%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 78, which significantly heightens the risk involved. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 34 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel exhibits several positive indicators, yet we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be considered a hold candidate, meaning one should hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 26th of September, we anticipate Intel will open lower by approximately 9.83 cents, starting the trading session at $23.44. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by stockinvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.